Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nam, and I'm going to be going over my 8th graders. I'm going to be going over your assignment for Friday, September 18th to 2020. This is going to go over your synchronous and asynchronous assignment that we had for today in case you missed class or you just need a refresher after class is done. But today we're going to be talking about sunrises and sunsets. Okay? So as we kind of start going through this PowerPoint, the bell ringer for today is you're actually going to be in Fridays in the graph it. So if I scroll up, I'm going to go back to your digital notebook just to remind you exactly where you're writing this. That's going to be right here in the Friday graphic. Okay. But the question that I have for you today is, what is one observation and one question that you had about sunrise and sunset times? Okay, so if you look at our sunrise and sunsets for this past week, September, you can see the different sunrises and sunsets. What do you notice as a week goes on? What do you notice as between the different sunrises and sunsets? Okay, so make sure you write that in your digital notebook. Guys, your learning target for today is you'll be able to state the causes of sunrises and sunsets. We know they happen. Every day we see it, the sun rises in the east, sets in the west. Why? And why does that happen? You have two vocab words today, guys. The first one is sunrise. Okay, pretty straightforward. You know what a sunrise is. It's when the sun rises above the horizon, creating daylight. This is due to the rotation of the earth in relations with the sun and the moon. Okay. Same thing, sunset. It's instead of the appearance of the sun, it's the disappearance of the sun over the horizon due to the Earth's rotation. So those are your two vocab words for today. Okay. Your essential question for today is, what causes sunrises and sunsets? They happen, but what causes them? Alrighty, so you went into breakout rooms, right? And you were discussing one of the following questions. What difference do you know about the sun and sunrises and sunsets? Why do you think the sunrise and sunset changes times throughout the year? Sunrises and sunsets happen at in different areas. Why do you think that is? Okay. So what you did in breakout groups was you wrote down one of your classmates' answers to one of these questions in your notebook on a slide. If I scroll down to slide 3, sunrise and sunsets, okay, in this blue box. However, if you're watching this and you did not make class, you're just going to write down one of your answers to these questions, okay? And that was pretty much what we did today, guys. Your assignment for today is in Google Classroom. There's an assignment called Sunrise and Sunsets, and it's the reading and discussion questions. Okay, so if I go to that assignment, this is what it's going to look like. First, you're going to watch a video. If you click on this, it'll open up a video for your watch. Then we're just going to read a very simple article on what causes a sunrise and sunset. Okay. And once you have that done, guys, there's a couple questions at the bottom that you need to answer. Once you've answered those questions, you can submit the assignment, and that's kind of your lesson for today. Okay. If you have any questions, like always, please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you. If not, and once you have this done, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.